May I, Zishan Baba Siddiqui, having been elected a member of the Legislative Council, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Remembering our leader, the late Ajit Pawar Dada, today, my father, late Shri Baba Siddiqui ji, and I'd like to thank my leader, Sumitra Pawar Vahini ji, and the NCP family for giving me this opportunity. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Bhim, Allah Hafiz.